Hello, good morning. So right now we're going to Bindin. So we're excited.
I will take sokat.
Yes. Okay. See you later.
Onto Provincial Road.
4, 5.
I will fit.
That's the mountain.
Papidyo ko na lang. Nanggalang yung babak yung...
Pangit.
Sa daan.
Walk
away.
Pabayaan na.
Like it down.
May kwan daw to.
Shepherd.
So this is the Bulak Falls. From here. Ito yung malaking bato. Huge trees.
Or in Baguio.
We're in Baguio. Pine trees.
Magtanggal ka na ng pan mo.
Aircon.
Iwa.
Tulingan. Tulingan din. Eto nga po, dito na kami sa swimming pool ni Tulingan. Kaso, sarado po siya. Pero may space po siyang inilaan dito para sa mga bisita. Na pwedeng pagkapihan. Kasi, malamig. Yan, ang lamig. Lamig, parang Baguio. Itong sarap magkape nang may kakanin. Yum! Tapos, sabay may kape, black coffee. Ayun, naglalaro. Ang aking anak.
Water, magtubig ka. Wala, pang tatlong. Pero hindi naman.
Tingin dito, picture. You want to cross? This one is bridge. Huh?
Sadi, but
Here's the river.
that's very sad.
It's the river.
It's like a beach. No beach. Like
There's the spring in this great.
You are the sub.
So cold. Okay, racing. 1, 2, 3, drop.
Oh,
Oh, who's going first? Is that mine?
yes.
Who's the winner?
The
Oh! Oh, hey! Magkarga! Taas mo! Taas mo! What is that? Stuck.
What?
Ito.
I vlogger, right?
Yeah.
But what's that short book? Other book there.